Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how to use the Google Maps offline. Sometimes you can't get access to the internet and you want to use the Google Maps. For this, if you want to use the Google Maps of specific area, you can select it. For this you have to go to Google Maps and click on your Google account and select the area of the Google Maps you want to download, as you can see in the video. After that you have selected the area, you can click on download and download the Google Maps you want to use later in offline mode, as you can see in this video. When you have downloaded the Google Maps, as you can see in this video, even you don't have the internet access, you can easily use that downloaded Google Maps of that specific area you have already selected. As you can see in the video, you can see all the Google Maps of that area you have selected and downloaded, so you can easily get access to it even you don't have the internet connection. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe this channel and like this video.